Hi there, Kelvin here, and I wanted to show you what's new in guppy 1.1. Now, you know in the previous version of guppy, we allow you the option of not using the await keyword when you want to resolve asynchronous code. While this was good, there was an edge case where promises were not resolving properly. So as from guppy 1.1, the await keyword is mandatory when you want to execute asynchronous code. And I kind of like this because you can easily copy the code or the logic you have made in guppy into your own code base without missing adding the await keyword. So, for example, in previous version of guppy, you could do this article.find, and this could resolve. But right now, it's going to resolve to a deferred, which is it needs the await keyword. That's what it says. So all you have to do is write the await keyword here, and it's resolved properly. Okay. Another thing that's new in guppy 1.1, let's just say I limit this to, I just say 2 for now. Okay, and I want to get the count of all the articles. I could do that. See, it's 6, and I also want to get the first article. I'm gonna find one. Yeah, and we get to see these are the results. So what if I just want to execute article.count without having to delete the entire code in this editor? So in guppy 1.1, you can do that by selecting the line you want to execute or the lines you want executed and hit run by hitting the play button or by the shortcut, which is Command or Shift arrow. So now if you look at the play button now, it's going to say run selection as opposed to run code. So if I run this, I get to see just this line. So if I want to execute 2 lines, I could highlight both lines and hit the shortcut, and we get to see those values. So I find this pretty useful because there are times I don't need to delete the entire code in the editor, or I just want the result of just a particular line. I could just edit that line and I get to see the results. All right. So the last thing, or the notable change in guppy is that guppy now has a deactivate guppy menu where you could deactivate guppy on a particular machine. This will allow you to use guppy in other machines. So if you've maxed the usage of your guppy license, which is 2, so if you install guppy or use the license in maximum of 2 computers and you want to deactivate it in one, then uninstall that one in this machine and use another machine, or you're changing machines, you could quickly just deactivate guppy here, uninstall guppy, then download guppy for the other machine, and you can use your license in that machine. So those are what's new in guppy. Thanks.